What's up? My name is Aurora. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I make videos all about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget. And today's video is about IKEA, my favorite place probably on earth. I love IKEA. I'm always shopping in IKEA, and I gathered together 5 of my must-have kitchen items from IKEA for under $10. These are essentials that I use almost every single day in my kitchen. They're things that I think everybody can benefit from having. They're things that I think everybody should at least know are out there to get from IKEA, and they're things that I will definitely be linking down below. I'm super excited to show you guys this video. We're gonna hop right into this, but before we do, make sure to go down below, hit subscribe. I post new videos every single Monday and Friday, so turn on that post notification if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. And as always, if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Roryville with 3 L's and 1 E. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my notes on my computer. If I look down, that's what I'm looking at. I am by no means good at pronunciation, especially in terms of Swedish. So just ignore me, but I am gonna try and kind of list off to you guys the names, and everything will be linked down below. Under $10, 5 items for your kitchen. Let's go. No particular order, but I will say this one's probably my favorite. A serving bowl from IKEA for $2.50. Come on. I use this bowl probably every day. I use it for salads. I use it when I cut fruit. I use it for chips. I use it if I'm like hosting or anything like that, or if I have family over and I just want to put like stuff in there. I need more of these. I only have one, and I use it for all those different things. So I really need to get another one. Like I said, it's $2.50. It's called Trig, I think. It's so good. It's such an essential for me. $2.50, how can you not? I'm not really big with IKEA dishware. Like I haven't tried that much. So if you have any favorites that you think I should check out, definitely let me know in the comments. I would love to know. But I do think that this one is a standout for me for the size, functionality, and just price overall. I don't know of any other place that you can get that big of a glass, hard, heavy duty bowl for $2.50. Amazing. My second must-have for the kitchen that I'm always using is my chopping board. My cutting board, is that what you call it? Yeah, cutting board. The one I have is bamboo. It's $7.99. I also use this chopping board every single day. It's so good. The size is incredible for $8. Like, I always never bought a cutting board because I just always thought that they were way too expensive. I use it for everything, once again, to prep my salads, to cut my watermelon. I'm just always using it. And so if you're looking for a nice heavy duty quality cutting board under $10, this is the one. It also has a circle, so you can hang it up if you want to do that, but I just think it's a great functional piece. The third kitchen essential that I need you guys to be aware of is the spice rack for $4.99. This is called the Beck Vom, I think. Spice rack. I love this thing. You can paint it, spray paint it. I love the wood finish. It's like a light, beautiful wood finish. You can hold all your spices on it. You can get multiple, hang them on top of each other, hang them in a row. I also love it for outside of the kitchen. I've used them to hang up my perfume bottles, to hold accessories or sunglasses or whatever. So get creative. You don't just need to use it in the kitchen, but if you are looking for some sort of a shelf, I think this one's great. It's a lot easier, in my opinion, to hang up than some of the other shelves that IKEA sells, and you can hold all your beautiful spices on there in a really easy, accessible way. This phone stand has changed the way that I do dishes. I got this phone stand as a gift, and I don't really I'm not even good at putting my phone on the charger before I go to bed. So I was kind of thinking of it as that, like a bedside table phone stand. And when I got it, I was like, oh, this is really cute. I love it, but I don't really think I'll use it that much. I was so wrong. It is amazing for doing dishes. I don't know about you guys. I love watching stuff or listening to stuff on my phone when I'm doing the dishes, but I hate the fact that I either have to like lean up my phone or something, or grab my phone with my wet dish hands. So I love this phone stand because I can easily set it up, just have it there chilling while I do my dishes. It also has a little hole so you can easily plug a charger into your phone. For $5.99, it's amazing. It's called the Sig Thin. It's great. I love it. Okay, the fifth and final thing that I think everybody needs in their kitchen from IKEA is a dish rack. This dish rack in particular is only $2.99. It's a beautiful, again, wood finish. It's called Ost Bit. And I have 2 of them. I use it to dry my dishes. I think it's a really pretty alternative to like a big metal dish holder. I also think for me, the bigger my dish holder is, the more lazy I get with putting them away. So I love that this one isn't that big. I do have 2, but even if you only had 1, you can really get away with holding a lot of dishes on it, but not have like this big eyesore of a thing. Also, when it's just sitting there without dishes, I don't think it's ugly. I think it just adds to the space because of the wood. And again, for $2.99, so functional, amazing. I've had it for months and months and months. So I really recommend it. I think it's high quality. I have a bonus one that I just have to insert for $1.99. This dish brush is my best friend. It's so good. It has a suction cup so it can stick onto the surface. It has a little scraper at the top so it can really get in there with grime. And I just love the fact that it's a brush like on a stick, so I don't have to get in there with gross dishes. I can just, you know, do it from a distance, socially distance. I love it. I definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's $1.99 and it's called Ring. I don't know. It'll be linked. Okay guys, that's it from me. If you like this video, if you want to see more of my IKEA must-haves for different spaces or different reasons in your life, let me know. Let me know if I missed any good IKEA kitchen must-haves in the comments below. Again, I would love to hear. You guys have the best ideas, the best uses of stuff, so I'm dying to know. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure that you go down below and hit subscribe. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I post new videos every single Monday and Friday, so I don't want you to miss a single thing from me. Turn on those post notifications to be notified. And as always, if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at RoyBella3 I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.